Sometimes I wonder, why do we do this? Why do we spend thousands of dollars and sleepless nights on old rusted metal? The answer is simple. We don't just buy cars, we buy history. Today's story begins here, in this godforsaken place. We receive coordinates to an abandoned industrial zone where, rumor has it, a crown jewel of the 90-seconds JDM era is hiding. The door opens, and the smell hits you. Old oil, dampness, and aged leather. There it is. At first glance, it's a disaster. A 1994 Toyota Supra MK4. The layer of dust is so thick, you can't even tell the color. Flat tires, shattered windows. Most people would only see scrap metal here. They'd say, it's pointless, throw it away. But I see potential. We check the VIN, it confirms this is a genuine twin turbo model with a manual transmission. We pop the hood, and behold, the legendary 2JZ engine. Yes, it's rusted. The wires are chewed by rats, but the block is intact. This car deserves a second chance. We are taking it home. Once we get it to the workshop, the euphoria fades and reality sets in. It's time for the dirtiest part of the restoration, the teardown. Our goal is to strip it down to the bare chassis. Every single bolt puts up a fight. 30 years of rust doesn't give up easily. We use heat, gallons of penetrating oil, and an arsenal of pneumatic tools. Every part removed must be cataloged. If we lose something now, reassembly will be a nightmare. When we pulled the interior, we found what we feared most. The floor on the driver's side is practically gone. Moisture has done its job. This means cosmetic fixes won't be enough. We need serious surgery. We send the body shell for sandblasting. This process is ruthless. It strips away everything. Old paint, primer, rust, leaving only clean metal. When the car comes back, it looks completely different. Now we know exactly what we are dealing with. The welder is on. It's time to restore the geometry. While the body is in the paint booth, we move to the heart of the beast, the 2JZ GTE. This engine became a legend because of its cast iron block that can handle insane stress. But we don't want the stock 320 horsepower. We want 4 digits. We want 1,000 horsepower. For this, stock internals won't do. The block is machined to perfection. We are installing CP Carrillo forged pistons and Brian Crower connecting rods. These parts will handle the immense pressure and heat. The biggest change? We are ditching the twin turbo setup. Instead, we are installing a massive single Garrett G42 turbo. Yes, there will be some lag, but when it kicks in, it feels like riding a rocket. Assembling the engine is like therapy. Everything must be sterile. Every bolt is torqued to the exact factory spec. One mistake, and the engine could blow on the first start. But we don't make mistakes. There it is assembled, shiny, ready for war. Tech specs are important, but the visuals give the car its soul. We thought long and hard about the color. We wanted something classic, yet aggressive. The choice was obvious. Midnight, Purple, 3. This isn't just paint, it's a multi-layered chameleon. In the dark, it looks deep purple, almost black. But under sunlight, it shifts to gold and bronze. Reassembly is the slowest phase. We can't scratch the fresh paint, we install new carpets, and refresh the dashboard. We replace the seats with carbon fiber Recaro buckets, because at 1,000 horsepower, stock seats just won't hold you. And finally, the shoes. Volk TE37. The bronze wheels create the perfect contrast against the purple body. The car sits on the ground, it doesn't look restored. It looks like it came from the future. The moment we all fear, yet wait for. The first start. Oil is primed. Fuel pressure is good. The ECU sees all sensors. Sound effect of starter cranking. Then engine roaring to life. It's alive! Listen to that sound. That's not just an engine, that's music. Straight pipe exhaust, no cats. It breathes fire. First drive on the road. Even a slight touch on the throttle pins you to the seat. The turbo flutter Stutudu echoes on every shift. This car is dangerous, fast, and beautiful. We accomplished the mission. We turned dead metal into a legend. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Subscribe, because next time, we are building something even crazier.